So our timing was over. Again, we have started a new video recording. Again, we'll start with the 15th September, right? Okay, fine. So here just look at the low 1 minute candle. Low gets broken. This is the seller's day, and I thought this is the big candle, so there is no candlestick pattern is making any sense. So I waited for retracement. Just look at this. This is the retest level engulfing candle. You can take entry over here, or I took entry over here, but stop loss get hit. So the stop loss get hit, that means it's going to test day high. So I bought here, but these things need an experience, right? You can try after experience only. But here, just look at day high gets broken. So you have to avoid this day, or you have to try a reversal trade over here. Just look at this. So again, the day high gets broken, but not sustained, not sustained, but here sustained. So morning was a selling trade, afternoon is a buying trade. Why? The high gets broken. That's it. You always try to find engulfing candle. Just look at engulfing, 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 engulfing. But 11 o'clock. So here no trade after this, right? So you can go after 12:30. Here just look at this is a breakout and the engulfing candle here. You can entry over here, stop loss over here. You can easily get target. Again retracement. Just look at pin bar candles, and if any engulfing candle, entry over here, stop loss over here. You can enjoy the ride. Again retracement, engulfing candle, took a entry, stop loss here. Just look at here. Can I get a pen over here? Just look at I don't know how to get a pen in this. Okay, fine. Here you can see here engulfing candle, took a entry, stop loss, again enjoy the ride, right? Here it is not possible to take entry because it's just a small stop and it moved up. That's it. There was a note, it's just like the river, no retracement type. Here just a small retracement. That's it. Again moving, just look at, see, you will see 5 minute candlestick pattern over here. This is I guess 16th September. Yesterday was a very bullish day. You can see these are the entry possible entries, and we will go with the 1 minute candlestick pattern, right? Okay, here it is a 1 minute. Just look at day high gets broken. This is the first minute, day high gets broken. That's it. So you have to take entry, stop loss, target not hit it, but actually 1:1 hit. So that's very fine. Again this is the reversal trade, or because there is a huge gap, so this gap can be filled. So this was a small trade, but remember day low not get broken, so you have to always buy. Here engulfing candle, but after confirmation I bought with a stop loss, and target will be day high. That's it. Here the one thing confirm, it's a buying trade, because if low gets broken then it's a selling trade, but day high gets broken, day low not get broken, so buying trade. You can continue with it. Just look at engulfing candle. Here bullish candlestick pattern. You can say hammer at bottom with a small stop loss. You can trade here also engulfing candle, hammer. Just look at here engulfing candle. Over here pin bar candle and huge bullish candle. That's what the thing we wanted. Buy over here, stop loss over here. You can get easily 1:1, 1:2 over here. Just look at here also. It has made a pattern, right? Over here, just look at here. Once your stop loss get hit, but you have to avoid unless and until this high gets broken. Here high gets broken, took entry, stop loss, again enjoy the run. That's it. Again yesterday was a bullish day. This is the I guess 17th September. Over here market open a gap up, the high gets broken, I took entry. But remember yesterday was a bullish day, so I was planning some reversal trade. Here the hammer was at top, so you have to avoid this trade. Again day low gets broken. This is the day high gets broken. This was a bullish day but again on the same day within 5 minutes day low gets broken. So here you have to plan a selling buying nifty, that is buying candlestick, right? So it went up, down, again went up. Here the one candlestick pattern made engulfing candle, or you can say just like this. Again small SL and big candle. Just look at it, went up over here, and that's it, target hit. Again here just look at here, you can see here is one candle reversal candlestick pattern, but it fell, it hit stop loss. Then again here also one hammer type, or you can say engulfing candle, so shorted over here but stop loss get hit. But here you can notice one thing, here the price is making higher high, lower loss. That's its buying trade. But again at day high buyer's trap, again fell and again came down to the seller's day. That's it. You can took any sell entries over here. Again, going back to the 20, I guess 20 September, just look at day low gets broken. Sorry, day high not get broken, day low not get broken. Here day low broken, but you have to wait for candle to close, right? But again, this is a huge gap down, so I played over a reversal trade, again reversal trade, again reversal trade up to a retest level. That's it. These are the 2 3 morning trades. Here these trades are based on the price action and pattern that Bank Nifty is making. That's it. This is a retest then trend line breakdown, so that's why this is the breakdown trade. That's it. Actually, as well as this is a triple top with RSI divergence, so you don't have to think more about this trade. You only need to capture these 2 3 trades up to 11 o'clock. That's it. Again, this is the 21. Just look at yesterday was a selling day high and day low. Just look at hammer candle here on the second minute. So you have to be very quick. Day high not gets broken. So you these things uh, will this will you can take entries on these things only on practicing for more than 1 month, right? So you will get to know how this works or how this reacts. That's here. Just look at this is the huge returns, right? Because in the first minute option moves like more than 100 or 120 points in this such moves. That's it. Here I played a one reversal trade, but this was just a small trade. That's it. Here continuation. Just look at engulfing candle. Again, your stop loss not get hit. I tried over here hammer and engulfing and again breakdown, triangle pattern breakdown. Look at this again, engulfing candle, downfall, again engulfing candle. Just look at I bought it on breakdown, but here you can take entries. Just look at this exhaustment, you can say downfall, retracement, downfall, retracement, downfall. Here 2 3 entries and that's it. Up to 11 it's fine. Again moving towards the, I guess, 22. Just look at this is the first candle, right? We'll just simply zoom out some. Okay, here let's see how much time we left. Again, 3 minutes left. Okay, fine. Okay, here entry one. Just look at this is the first candle, right? Day low gets broken. So probably here you have to be a seller, right? Because it's a selling day. But what I did, I thought this is a engulfing hammer candle on top, but I was wrong. I fell here and I did not follow my rules. Just look at this, easily hitted your selling target. But I was planning only reversal. So here the target gets hitted. But look at if I sell here, my target easily get hitted. Again, this is a rise and again engulfing candle, again hammer candle, again my target get hitted. Again here engulfing candle, again my target get hit, but I did not follow my rules. So here I guess it hit my target, but this is the selling day, right? That's it. These were my mistakes because after the selling day I can't buy. I can buy only above when day high gets broken. Here just look at this engulfing. Just look at this, right? Whenever there is a rise, you can find a reversal pattern. Just look at hammer candle. Here is no, here is engulfing candle. Just look at this fall, right? That's it. Again, I guess it's 23. Okay, we'll just zoom in. Just look at this 23. First minute candle high gets broken. So my buying entry here engulfing candle. I have entry, my stop loss, target get hit. Again here a small retracement engulfing candle. You can put your stop loss over below the candle. You can enjoy the same trade. But I waited here. I found one bullish engulfing and again buying pressure candle. I bought. I put a stop loss. Target get hit. That's it. Here just 11 o'clock. So you have to these are trades based on another confirmations, right? That's it. These 2 3 entries are on Bank Nifty morning strategy. That's it. Again, I guess this is 24th. We'll simply have to make it a quick. Just look at day high gets broken. Here should be buying entry, but stop loss get hit. So I plan over here a selling entry just because of yesterday was a bullish day. That's why. This is the same reason. Just look at this is a bullish day. So I tried after a bullish day there might be a reversal and same thing happen over here. This is with the experience. Just look at this. I so shorted over here, but my stop loss get hit. But if I buy over here, my target will get easily hit. But again, On second entry is not triggered because after we can see a buying momentum, there should be some retracement and then a pattern, but here no